I'm here with Mike Stevens, Head of Enterprise Strategy for the Small Business Financial Exchange. Mike, we appreciate you visiting our North American headquarters. Welcome.
Well, thank you so much, and it's always great to be here in lovely Southern California. And we always appreciate the time to sit down and discuss how organizations can continue to work together to bring more and more value to small business lenders and the small business community.
Great. Mike, I know that the Small Business Financial Exchange includes a variety of different lenders, from banks, fintechs, card issuers, and other small business credit providers. Across the different lender types, what common challenges do you see SBFE helping them address?
Absolutely, and as you might imagine, those value propositions are different for those different types of lenders. But what we hear a lot, really there's three kind of areas that seem to be common across most of those lender types. First is the technical lift and the risk, and from a compliance standpoint, of sending data to multiple places. Obviously, SBFE really addresses that by being a single point where they can send their data. So kind of relieving or lowering those technical lift as well as the compliance risk. The second area is when they need to test or explore new solutions or different solutions, there can be a pretty decent amount of operational overhead to engage with an organization, supply data, work through connectivity, all those type of things. And again, because SBFE is a single point of delivery for their data, and then we make that available to multiple organizations that can provide solutions and products for them, it really lowers that operational overhead to where they can fairly quickly and fairly frictionlessly engage with or maybe sometimes multiple organizations to look at products and solutions. And then finally is efficiency, and efficiency in their processes. And where SBFE helps to address that is that, again, because of the data coming in and the amount of data that's available and the broad spectrum of products that are available from our partners, it really helps to give organizations the opportunity to build that solution set that really makes their process efficient. In some cases, I know we always hear the word, and I think it's become a little taboo, but automate as much as possible.
Great. Well, Mike, both SBFE and Experian are very focused on helping small businesses thrive. From your perspective, how does better credit visibility help lenders support responsible growth and improve access to capital?
Absolutely. We talk about this quite often. I've said for many years, and I still firmly believe, that the more complete the picture of a small business's health a lender has, the better decisions they're going to make. And those better decisions generally tend to turn into better outcomes for both the lender and the small business. Those better outcomes really are around having the appropriate types of credit, the appropriate amounts of credit, and probably most importantly for a lot of small businesses, those funds available in a time that is optimal for them. Lots of small businesses are not out there looking 6 months ahead for funding. They're probably looking in the next couple of weeks, hey, we need some money to do something. And this, what SBFE does along with our partners is really enable that efficiency and kind of across the board.
Absolutely makes sense. Let's say we have a lender who's interested in becoming an SBFE member but doesn't really know where to begin. What's the best first step, and what does becoming an SBFE member entail?
Well, I'll answer the first part and kind of the last part first. We strive to make the membership process as quick and frictionless and painless as possible. But I'd really say there's two avenues that are probably best and most appropriate to kind of get started with SBFE, and that would be directly visiting our website, www.sbfe.org. Wealth of information there about SBFE, our partner organizations, as well as being able to contact us, and probably most importantly, information about becoming a member, what the value is there, as well as the process, and even getting the process started from the website. The other path that I would say is, if a lender is already a customer or working with one of our partner organizations, is reaching out to their account representative in that organization. basically saying, hey, I'd like to take a look at SBFE data-driven solutions, I'm sure, I'll speak for Experian, I'm sure the Experian sales team would say, hey, would love to talk to you about those. But then also would be able to connect the lender with SBFE and in many cases actually get the process started to become membership. Again, we try to keep it's fairly straightforward, fairly painless what it means to become an SBFE member, and we work hand in hand with our members and in some cases with our partners to make that happen pretty quickly.
Well, Mike, our relationship with SBFE is a wonderful collaboration, and we so appreciate you being here today to give us a little bit more information about the program. So thank you so much.
Absolutely. We feel the same and appreciate the partnership with Experian and look forward to what's to come. So thank you so much.
Absolutely.